Top 10 phone repair in Louisville. 1. IREPAIR XPERT, Mall St. Matthew, 5, 289 reviews, Mall. 2. One Stop Mobile, 575 reviews, S. Watterson Trail. 3. CPR Cell Phone Repair, 4.9 440 reviews, 12625B, Shelbyville Road. 4. SIN Cellular Repair and Accessories Store Oxmoor Center, 4.9 278 reviews, Oxmoor Center. 5. A Blue Wave Phone Repair LLC, 4.9 216 reviews, St. Andrew's Church RD. 6. CPR Cell Phone Repair, 4.8 1156 reviews, New Dutchmans Pkwy. 7. iFix Highlands Louisville Kentucky, 4.8 393 reviews, Bardstown Rd. 8. Imonkeys, 4.8 108 reviews, Bardstown Rd. 9. Batteries Plus Phone Repair, 4.8 74 reviews, Shelbyville Road No. 404. 10. CellPhone Clinic, 4.8 71 reviews, Bardstown Road Suite 6.